Fuse 1 generation printers use an infrared sensor to monitor temperature changes in the top powder layer. IR sensor data is crucial for print quality, accuracy, and repeatability. Any obstruction or contamination of the sensor can cause print defects. During nylon sintering, a white powder called laurolactam builds up on components, including the IR sensor housing. To maintain accurate readings, inspect the housing before each new print and clean it if any laurolactam is spotted. In this video, we'll walk you through how to clean the IR sensor housing on your Fuse 1 generation printer. If this video helps you solve your printer's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. Inspecting and cleaning the IR sensor is a different procedure, and that should be completed after every print. Check out our video for cleaning the IR sensor to learn more. Let's get started with cleaning the IR sensor housing. First, put on a new clean pair of nitrile gloves. Powder, skin oils, and other contaminants may smudge the IR sensor lens. The IR sensor housing is located inside the print enclosure. On the touchscreen, drag the unlock door slider. The print enclosure door unlocks. Next, using a telescoping mirror, position the mirror inside the build chamber and angle the mirror up towards the ceiling of the build chamber. You may need a second person to hold a flashlight up to illuminate the IR sensor housing. The IR sensor is located at the center of the printer. This IR sensor housing has a fair amount of laurolactam buildup and definitely needs to be cleaned. Set the telescoping mirror aside for the moment and return to the access door on the top of the printer. Next, open the IR sensor door on the top of the printer, above the touchscreen and next to the hopper. You may need a step stool to reach this door and to look inside. Remove the IR sensor by pulling the cap off of its mount. The IR sensor is held in place with magnets and comes out with little force. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the sensor and set the IR sensor aside on a clean, flat surface with the lens facing up. Make sure the cable does not fall back into the printer. Wet a polyester cloth swab with a small amount of ethanol. The swab should be wet but not dripping. Using the hand mirror for guidance, wipe the IR sensor housing inside the print enclosure with a swab dampened with ethanol. Move the swab in a circular motion to clean all cone surfaces. Next, use the telescoping mirror to ensure that there are no large pieces of debris or remaining laurolactam. Here is an example of what a properly cleaned IR sensor housing should look like. If your IR sensor housing is still dirty, repeat the cleaning steps with a new polyester swab dampened with ethanol. If the IR sensor housing is fully cleaned, you may now close the print enclosure door. It is now time to reinstall the IR sensor. Reconnect the IR sensor to the cable inside the IR sensor panel. The IR sensor is connected to its mount with magnets. Push in the cap until you feel a click and the LEDs turn green. Close the access door to the panel. We are now finished with the cleaning process. Remember to inspect the IR sensor housing after every 100 hours of printing. Need help? Contact Formlabs support or a certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more content. What video do you want to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.